So this is how you make barbecue grilled spicy chicken. You would need 4 cloves of garlic and a chunk of ginger. To this I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of mustard oil, and then a tablespoon of crushed chilies. Should be enough. And then for extra spice I'm going to be adding another 4 or 5 green chilies. Next, what you do is blend this up, and then you can add this to your chicken. So this is the 2 chickens, cut and cleaned. I've made slices, slits in the chicken, so the chicken can soak in the ingredients. So to this I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of salt, mix around, half a tablespoon of black pepper, tablespoon of paprika, just need a little bit more, and then half a tablespoon of coriander powder. And to this I'll be adding Pataks Masala spice base. This has a lot of ingredients inside it already, as you can see. This adds flavour. So I'm going to be adding 3 tablespoons of this paste. Mustard oil, the chilies, and the garlic ginger paste inside this. I've also added a cut lemon just for the tanginess. So after everything's mixed up, this is what it will look like. You just need to put the cling film on it, put it in the fridge for overnight, and then we can put it in the grill. Look at that char grilled. Cooks quick. Here's a grilled chicken done. It's been in the barbecue. It's got some pita bread, lettuce, onions, cucumber, and chilies. It's like grilled fried chilies mixed in. It's really spicy and tangy, delicious. Hope you liked it. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.